Hello everyone, Dr. Emerick here with Ohio Sleep Treatment, and today I'm going to be showing you how to advance your SomnoMed Herbst device. We'll start by getting the key out of the case, which is located in the bottom of the case. Open up the case here, we got the key and the brush. We'll set that aside and grab the device out of the case as well. And then we can get started making the advancement here. Okay, let's get started. Before we begin moving the device forward, let's take a quick look at the starting position. We've currently got this device at the 2 millimeters of advancement. You can see on the ruler here, and there is a little line on the hinge down here. I know it's difficult to see on the video, but it is there and lines up at the 2 millimeter mark. In order to advance the device, we'll take the key, and we're going to put it into the screw hole here next to the arrow, and we will rotate upwards. And it takes approximately 10 turns upwards to reach a full millimeter of advancement. If you were to lose track of how many turns you've made, you can always fall back on the markings on the ruler and the guidelines. Once we've got a millimeter advancement on that side, we'll switch sides to the other side. Again, we were starting at 2 here, and we'll do 10 more. Once we're done, we want to make sure that both sides are even. Looks like we need to go just one turn further here. Now I've got the lines at the 3 millimeter mark. And on the other side, let's see that we're also matching at 3 millimeters. If you were to go too far, all you have to do is put the key in the screw hole and turn down until you match on both sides. Okay, now you can log the titration on your record sheet. And that's that. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments or send us an email at info@sleeptreatmentoh.com or give us a call at 614-396-8286. Thanks.